Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install new Windows in your PC or laptop from your USB cable or USB or pendrive. Okay, this is my pendrive. I'll just use this USB pendrive to install new Windows in my laptop. So there is no any disks. There's no disks. This is empty. I'll just install my new Windows by using this USB pendrive. Okay, now I'll show you how to do it. This is my pendrive. Then at first you have to go my computer, and then you open your pendrive folder and just go here in setup and Windows 7. Just I am install here Windows 7. So I'll do it manually. If you want to do this manually, you have to click on the setup option, and after see this, and you have to click on the install Windows activated artwork. In another, you can also see another title also. This is no problem. You can to start installing Windows 7, and then you have to click on here. Okay, now Windows activated setup is copying temporary file. That means it's processing to install new Windows in my laptop. Okay, just wait for few seconds or few minutes. Okay, now I have to select my option here. In here I see two options. One option is only this is only you can not select this because I don't want to install from online. I just want to install this new Windows from my USB pendrive. Okay, just I will select this option. That means do not get the latest updates for installation. Just I'll click here. In here you will see lots of options to install Windows. I'll select one of them from here. I see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 option already. I see. I just will select one of them. I just want to select the ultimate X6 port. My computer is 6 bit, so I have to X6 bit. If your computer is in 3 2 bit, then you have to select X86. Okay. Now I am going to select this option because my computer is in 6 bit. So now you can click next button. Okay, now I see another option here. I have to select I agree to install Windows activated. Then click on the next button, and if you select this option, you have to select next one because I don't want to update this Windows. Just I want to select one which is written is written in as a custom advance. Okay, just select custom advance, and in here you will see another option also. You just select one disk where you want to install a new Windows 7. Load driver. I just select one. If you see like this option, then you have to select OK button. Now Windows is installing now. You have to wait for a few minutes to complete this. Until you completed this option process, then you have to wait. Okay, best of luck. My Windows file already installed in my PC. Now restarted my PC also. Now it's automatically doing. Is now installing Windows activated, and then you will see another option also. That means it's still now working to complete installation properly. Best of luck. I see install coffee Windows activated files already done, and expanded Windows activated files already 20% done, and other is still processing. And then after done this, and you will see installing feature is also will be installed, it will be worked, and another option installing updates and completion installation. After done this 5 option, then you are to be confirmed that your Windows setup installed successfully. Just wait until completed this. During this process your PC will be restarted several times during installation, so don't worry for this. After all, it takes some few minutes, that may be 20 to 30 minutes, to complete the full process, full installation. Okay, installing Windows Activator. In here we see 5 options, and already number 1 option, copy Windows Activated files, already successfully done. And now second option is still working. This is called expanded Windows activated file, already 90% of plus done. Okay, just we have to wait until this installation completed done successfully. It takes more time, so we should be patient. Now it is 99%. Within few seconds, second option will be done, and then next option will be started installing features. Okay, installing features already done, and now working installing updates. It's also working. Okay, now we have to wait. Okay, 5 steps already done. Now Windows Activated needs to restart to continue. This PC will be restarted within 2 seconds. Already I have done 75%. This is the completion of the total installation Windows. If you see this green bar is in the at the last line, then you have to understand that your installation is about completed. I am so much sorry because I am doing myself, and also I am recording this tutorial myself. There is no anyone to help me. Anyone beside me, but his friend. This friend is very selfish to help me, so I am doing it myself. So don't bother with my recording, please. Next time I will do the great video for everyone.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. I know it's not recording. No, it's not.
It's recording. This is variable.
No, it's not recording.
30 minutes, 30 seconds, 35.
So what? Not a big deal.
We are Bengali, and so we are from Bangladesh. So most of the Bangladeshi are very selfish, and also they love to disturb.
No. Most of the Bengalis are not selfish at all. Actually, I'm the selfish one.
Yeah.
One and all.
You don't. Actually, at my office, I have a colleague who is really very much selfish. So I requested him to help me, but he wasn't agree to help me because he is really one of the selfish creature in the world. I never see. So okay, hello guys, just wait for few times during completion, until completion completed the installation. It's very annoying, I know that, but there is no way to escape this option, because if I escape this option, you will face lots of problem when you install your Windows. So I just want to share everything A to Z, how to install Windows, new Windows in your PC or laptop or any other devices. So you have to watch my full video.